Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COSEM Manipur. Unit 2 Matrices. Topic Concept, Notation, Order, Equality, Types of Matrices, Zero Matrix. Exercise 3.1. Matrix. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers of functions. Matrix ama haibasi rectangular form da numbers singna mawng naina mathang manaw naina arrange tawba amani. Or a rectangular array of mn numbers in the form of m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n. mn numbers ki rectangular mawong da sindokpa m rows amasung n columns ki mawong da sindokpa amabu matrix m by n order gi matrix amakawi. In general, an m by n matrix is written as a11, a of 12, a of 13, a of 1j, a of 1n, a of 21, a of 22, a of 23, a of 2j, a of 2n. A of M1, A of M2, A of M3, A of MJ, A of Mn. Boundary symbol do square bracket natraga tha bracket na oigani. Matrix asigi line asibuna first topmost lariba line asibuna first row, second row, mth row. Asumna first column, second column, third column, z column, n column. M rows laiba n columns laiba matrix amagi order si m by n haigani masi suffix oina inai idabasu yai. Elements singadu by separated by comma by giving space piraga tongan me elements sing khangnagani. In compact form, this matrix A is written as A of suffix ij. Order is m by n. Boundary symbol is tha bracket. I varying from 1 to m. I की value से 1 दगने m फाव लोग भी आए. J की value असी सो 1 to n 1 और भी आए up to n फाव और भी आए. I अमसुंग J hybrid numbers सिंग असी set of natural numbers ते याव बमसिंग कंगलोप ओइगा दबने. The numbers of functions are called the elements of the matrix. Matrix sama की मनुंग दे यावरी बा number नत्रगा function सिंग असी बु element matrix असी की elements कवी. Matrices are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. Matrix की ममिंग असी English capital letters सिंगना खंगना गनी. Matrix सबसिना singular ni, matrices सबसिना matrix की plural form ni. Matrices सबसि plural form of matrix ni. The horizontal lines of the elements are called rows. Among the swai kare si की horizontal line असी row सिंगकवी first row masing di top तकी bottom of the thira कनी number ascending order sta. First row, second row, third row, mth row. Asumna. The vertical lines of the elements are called columns. Vertical lines sing do left to right. First column, second column, third column, z column, n column. Second suffix indicates the number of columns. Aij denotes an element lying in the ith row and z column. Aij haibasi I super row z super column intersection the labor element to bo. A of suffix ij na khangnagani. The numbers of functions of elements of an m by n matrix is m into n, that is mn. Order m by n matrix amagi element masing asidi mn adi m n ga purinaraga phangba number do oigani. Types of matrices. Matrix ki makhal sing column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. Column amakakta laiba matrix ko column matrix kawe. In general, A equal to Aij. Order is m by 1. Is a column matrix of order m by 1. Number of columns amakakta lari m, the number of rows, any number of rows lebi ai. Example 1. A column amakakta ni 3 rows lai masibo aikoi na 3 by 1 hani igani. Example 2 da B है ना कौरे matrix सी माह की element सी first column अमकता ले row अनि ले मसी की order सी column ने इगनी 2 by 1 है ना इगनी इरबदी. Next, row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. Row अमकता ले बा matrix को row matrix कवे. In general, B have a matrix असी row matrix ni is a row matrix of order 1 by n. row amakakta leigani mahakti kalam masing thingamdana leibe yai. Example 1 A set asida row masing amakakta kalam masing ahumni mahaki order kayano hairagadi 1/3 ni. Ani sub example B hena kaure matrix asida row amakakta malai kalam anini mahaki order hangagasu 1/2 haina irani. Asumna zero matrix ka top maming non matrix NUNN. A matrix is said to be a zero matrix or non-matrix if all its elements are zeros. Matrix samagi element punamak zero orabadi matrix tubu zero matrix natraga non-matrix haina kaugani. We denote zero matrix by zero O or zero matrix po aikoina O na khanagani. Its order will be clear from the context. Mahaki order the context tagi khangani. Example 1 O sina khanariba matrix asi element mari ni mahaki order di 2/2 ni 2 rows 2 columns lema si zero matrix ni. Asumna B hariba matrix asi su zero row amakaktamak lai element ani ni masi zero matrix ni. Square matrix. A matrix is said to be a square matrix if the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Row masinga column masinga manaba matrix amabu square matrix kawi. Thus, an m by n matrix is said to be a square matrix if m equal to n and is known as a square matrix of order n. M by n matrix amabu square matrix ni haigani m ga n ga manarabadi masi square matrix of order n haina sukhangnai. In general, A equal to Aij order is m by m is a square matrix of order m. Example 1 A set asida row masing ahumni column masing ahumni masi square matrix ni. B asida su row masing ahumni column masing ahumni row masinga column masinga manare maram asina B asisu square matrix ke example lamani. C masi su row ahumni column ahumni row masinga column masinga manare barina C asisu square matrix ke example lamani. Diagonal. If A equal to Aij is a square matrix of order n, then elements A11, A22, An are said to constitute the diagonal of the matrix A. Square matrix amagi repeated suffix elements na lariba diagonal asibu aikoina matrix asigi diagonal haina kaugani. Elements sing asibu na diagonal elements. Square matrix amagi repeated suffix elements na lariba line natraga diagonal asibu aikoina diagonal of the matrix kaugani. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix B whose elements are Bij order is m by m karigani square matrix pankrabadi order to m by m haina pallani is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are zeros. Non-diagonal element punamak zero or a square matrix asigi. That is, a matrix B Bij order is m by m is said to be a diagonal matrix if Bij equal to 0 when I does not equal to j. And example 1 A hariba matrix se diagonal da leiba non-diagonal element taruk asi loinamak 0 ore. Masidasu non-diagonal element pumnamak 0 ore. Hidasu square matrix ni non-diagonal element pumnamak 0 ore. Asungumba matrix ase aikoina diagonal matrix kaugane. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are equal. Diagonal matrix amagi diagonal da leiba element pumnamak adu manarabadi. Diagonal matrix amagi diagonal da leiriba element pumnamak to manarabadi matrix adubu aikoina scalar matrix kawi. Thus, a square matrix B Bij order is n by n is said to be a scalar matrix if Bij equal to 0, I does not equal to j. Bij equal to k where I equal to j for some constant k. K is 0 nataba constant amo igadaban. Example 1 P riba B hana koba matrix asi scalar matrix ni diagonal da riba element ahumoksi loina manai aduga non diagonal sing asi loina 0 oi aduga amoksi square matrix oi. C hariba matrix ase scalar matrix ki example ni maramdi masi square matrix ni ahan bada non diagonal da riba element pumnamak 0 oi diagonal da riba element si loina mak 1 loina manai. Identity matrix. A square matrix in which elements in the diagonal are all 1 and the rest are all zeros is called an identity matrix and denoted by in, I suffix n or I. Square matrix amagi diagonal da leiba element singdu loina 1 oiraba aduga lemhoriba element pumnamak aduna 0 oirabadi matrix adubu aikoina identity matrix kawi. Order n oiragadi I suffix n natraga simply I iraga khangnagani. Thus the square matrix A is an identity matrix if aij equal to 1 when I equal to j, whose value is 0 when I does not equal to j. Machine mathematically symbolically identity matrix ki definition. Example B hariba matrix C square matrix masi scalar matrix identity matrix ne ahan bada masi kari ore square ore ani subada diagonal matrix ore ahum subada diagonal da lariba element pumna magase 1 ngak to ore asumna C asi su identity matrix ne. Equality of matrices. Matrix anikrama tamana gane. When are two matrices said to be equal? Matrix anikrama matamana. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of the same order and each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. That is Aij equal to Bij for all I and J. Two matrix ani si managan manaba matrix ne haigani order manaraba loinena corresponding elements sing manar kudimak manarabadi. Exercise 3.1. In the matrix A, matrix asi 3 by 3 rows lare column mari lare 3 by 4 ne. Write the order of the matrix. Matrix asi order you hare. The order of the matrix is 3 by 4 maram the row ahum lare column mari lare. The number of elements the number of elements the 3 by 4 that is 12 lare. Write the elements A13 have the first row ge ahum suba element that is 5 by 2. A13 have the 5 by 2 A13 oraga the first row ge 19 lairani. A of 2 1 hare ani suba row ge ahan ba element that 35 ni. A of 3 3 haraga the ahum suba row ge ahum suba column da lebi element that is minus 5. A of 2 4 ani suba row ge mari suba column da lebi element 12. A of 2 3 ani suba row ge ahum suba column da lebi element that is 5 by 2. Question number 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? 24 elements level matrix amagi oithopa yaba orders singdu putu aduga 13 elements lairagadi orders singdu kaya no. The possible orders of a matrix having 24 elements are 1 by 24, 2 by 12, 3 by 8, 4 by 6, 6 by 4, 8 by 3, 12 by 2 and 24 by 1. For 13 elements, the possible orders are 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. Question number 2. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? 18 elements tagi sembe yaba matrix amangi orders singdu. The possible orders of a matrix having 18 elements are 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 6 by 3, 9 by 2 and 18 by 1. What if it has 5 elements? Element manga lairabadi. For 5 elements, the possible orders are 1 by 5 and 5 by 1. Four. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A is given by Aij, where elements are given by Aij. Roman number 1 the I plus j whole square by 2. Let us see. A11 darkar lare I am so 1 pixel so we get this. C simplified to the 2. A of 1 2 I the 1 z the 2 pixel simplified to the 9 by 2. Assume 2 by 2 matrix nina. A of 2 1 I the 2 pixel I the 2 pixel z the 1 pixel we get this. Simplified to 9 by 2. A of 2 2 hybrid I the 2 piro j the 2 piro we get this. That is I. The 2 by 2 matrix nina element mari sini aduna huji the required matrix is A11 gi A11 A12 na first row the itoni. A of 2 1 gi value 9 by 2 A of 2 by 2 gi value 8 in the second row the itoni. Required matrix the theory. Sumna Roman number 2 asisu 2 by 2 nina require matrix to sini magi value di a1 1 hadi 1 by 1 di 1 ni sumna 1 by 2 di half ni sigidi yam laira bani na tongana putu udrasu yare si 2 by 1 di 2 ni a of the 2 by 2 di 1 sumna putu e number 3 is a1 1 putoxi I amasung z the 1 1 facility we get this a of 1 to the I the 1 z the 2 facility we get this 25 by 2 a of 2 1 I the 2 z the 1 facility we get this whose value is I a of 2 to I the 2 z the 2 facility we get I10 element mari si phange. Therefore the required matrix is this pass row elements in zero corresponding places in the irregular matrix to phange. 5. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by 3 by 4 matrix sama semu makada piri by elements in a general element adu 3 by 4 oiragadi a1 1 putoni ida 1 j 1 pisil simplify taro le a1 2 leire asumna row first row itopa chandrabanina a of 1 3 a of 1 4 putoni second row ki amuk a of 2 1 putokani a of 2 2 a of 2 3 a of 2 4 third row ki a of 3 1 a of 3 2 a of 3 3 a of 3 4 puto a. Therefore require matrix today sig 1 half sin of the irani mathang da 0 half sin mathang irani asumna second row ki 5 by 2 2 5 by 2 2 mathang da 3 by 2 1 3 by 2 1 samjilani 4 7 by 2 na basti irani mathang da 3 5 by 2 sin mathang irani require matrix ta sumna putokani yarabadi masi row amada itokpana phajai. Roman number 2 a of 1 1 puto a 1 tare a of 1 2 a of 1 3 a of 1 4 asumna row da puto a of 2 1 a of 2 2 a of 2 3 a of 2 4 a of 3 1 a of 3 2 a of 3 3 a of 3 4 putoni the 3 by 4 in element puto kulore. Therefore required matrix is first row element 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 second row element 3 2 1 0 3 2 1 0 third row 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 asumna puto. Find the values of x, y, and z from the following equations. Matrix ani se manare equality of two matrices panjilaga aikoina x, y, z putokani. Matrix ani se manarabadi order manarabani hanana aduga mana ene piram labanina corresponding to manarani. There is y ki value 4 lere 3 ki value z x ki value 1 5 ki value 5. There is kana gadaba katang laukhatle y value corresponding to 3 lere y value corresponding to 4 z ki corresponding value 3 s ki corresponding value 1 value ahum do puthoi. Sumna Roman number 2 asiso corresponding ani simana halani x plus y ki value 6 or equation 1 5 plus z ki value 5 duga x product x y ki value 8 equation ahum phange ahum sidagi equation 2 dagi koina kari phange z ki value 5 phangi z ki value sima phange equation 1 ga 3 ga 1 and 3 1 amasung 3 dagi aikoina kari phange 1 amasung 3 dagi number ani 306 makoi ni purinaraga 8 82 go 4 gani x na 2 oiba y na 4 oiba or x na 4 oraga y na 2 oiba ama asumna value do ahum leirani x y z ki value order pair ani leirani set ani leirani. Roman number 3 matrix ani se manare corresponding manahalani x plus y plus z equal to 9 1 lere x plus z na 5 lere a y plus z na 7 ga manahalle asum equation ahum sidagi 1 dagi 3 khaidu obadi aikoini x pange there is 9 minus 72 ni 1 dagi 2 khaidu obadi y equal to 9 minus 5 there is 4 3 dagi di z ki value do 7 minus 4 di 3 lere aduna value ahum do therefore x equal to 2 y equal to 4 z equal to 3. Question number 7. Find the values of A, B, C, and D from the equation. And is unknown vari si putuai veni equation and matrix and is mana ravanina A minus B na minus 1 ga twice A plus C na 5 ka mana hallo twice A minus B na 0 ka mana hallo se try C plus D na 13 ka mana hallo equation mari phange equation mari asidagi aikoina 3 dagi 1 khaido ka si A ga B ga hana solve to si 3 dagi 1 khaido di A ga value 1 lere A की value खंगा बदी question 1 दा सिंजलागा B की value 2 फंगे असुमना A का C का a की value do equation 2 da sinjela a की value kaya phangkre hujukta a की value 1 adu 2 da sinjela badi 2 into 1 plus c equal to 5 this gives c equal to 3 mathang da d putok c की value 3 do 4 da sinjela badi 3 into 3 plus d equal to 13 d solve to badi 4 phange achumna unknown mari do a की value na 1 ni b की value na 2 ni c की value na 3 ni d की value na 4 ni question number 8a matrix is aij order is m by n is a square matrix if square matrix oige haradi m equal to n yam line khangle m n ga mana ga dabane correct answer d c oire tai sing sti lale 9 which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal matrix ani se mana ge hairabadi x amsu y gi value makha da piriba jura sing sti gi karambano matrix ani se mana hena piram labanina price x plus 7 0 ga मान हलो 5 ना y minus 2 ga मान हलो y plus 1 I का मान हलो 2 minus price x ना 4 ga मान हलो असुम न solve तोरसी from 1 दगी आइकोनी x की value दो minus 7 by 3 from 4 दगी x की value दो आइकोनी solve तो minus 2 by 3 अदो दी x की value अनि से मानद्रे x की value अनि से मानद्रे दोनों करी conclusion पीरे therefore not possible to find asumna x amso y gi value putokpa ngamdre equation ani si mananabagi damakta your answer is b not possible to find habisina chume the number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with entry 0 or 1 is 3 by 3 matrix amagi 0 amso 1 na element sing oiba number of possible matrices to putu haibane in a 3 by 3 matrix, there are 3 into 3, that is 9 elements. Each entry can enter in two ways, either by 1 or 0. Phambam khudingmak digit ani fill up to yai 1 natraga 0. Asumna pham mapandugidi. Therefore, number of possible matrices 2 into 2 into up to 9 times. 2 is 9 times la purinaradi 5 1 2 phange. Thus, the answer is D, that is 5 1 2.